Welcome to 1946 South Racine, Unit 3F. We are welcomed into a very large open concept of a kitchen, tons of storage, nice deep sink. Of course, I want to highlight it does have a dishwasher, all stainless steel appliances. This is the living room. Plenty of layout options for furniture. You have very tall ceilings and a ton of natural light in here. There's a skyline to view as well. Everything is brand new in this unit. In-unit laundry has never been used. You have two bedrooms along the hallway, approximately the same size. About a 10 by 10, very large closets. You can see the closet there. Beautiful floors. Hall bathroom for you. And then this is the master suite at the end of the hallway. I'll show you how tall the ceilings are and windows, and your ensuite bathroom. Nice for storage, but you don't need to worry about storage because this master closet is huge for you. So we've got the master bedroom in the back with its own bathroom. We have a hall bathroom. We have two bedrooms. We have the in-unit laundry, and then we have the great entertaining space here for you.